Okay, there is Mango, the orange female canary, and Papaya, the yellow one. They're both Spanish Timbrados. I've made sure that she's got lots of egg food and peas. And there's her food. She's got water and bath water and a seed treat. Stofie, back up, baby. Now, she kept insisting, because her cage is underneath the fish tank, but this is granite. Anyway, she kept insisting she wanted her nest on top of the cage. In here I've got romaine lettuce, never iceberg, and some fresh peas. Now I don't want to touch her nest, but yeah, there's one egg in there, and I'm just going to leave it alone. Tomorrow she'll probably lay another one. They say they lay one egg a day, and in the morning. There she is. Hi, Mango. She's very, very used to me being close to her cage, and not only that, it was time to watch the three amigos. Sunny, Star, and Luna. So they're like all right in front of my coffee table. Hi, Star. Aw, this is such a star. Right where the canaries are. So, in fact, Mango's favorite nesting material is from this guy right here. Hi, Stouffer. Come here. Come here. Just gave him a haircut, and Mango just loves the little Bichon's soft hair. She has woven it around in her nest. So anyway, hopefully we will have babies. 1 to 5 or 6 eggs, one a day, usually in the morning, and when she's done laying, she will sit on them for 2 weeks. So I started my research already. They love to fly from there to that bird perch right there. They happen to love the Afghan. And then there's always that bird stand by the sliding glass door. And Charlie has come in to say hello. Hi, Charlie. Hi, Charlie. Aw, he's a good bird. Step up. No, love Mama. Come on. Love the Mama. Usually he will just do that. So anyway, oh, last but not least, Lacey. Hi, baby. So my doggies, they don't even mind the birds. The birds actually are using them as nesting material. And the dogs are never out free with the birds if I'm not here to watch them.